channel, and today we are going to learn how to access Duolingo Math on Android. So let's get started. So if you want to access this new feature which is Math on Duolingo, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down you just have to open up my description, and inside that you will find a link. What you can do is just simply tap on that link and it will direct you to a website. So after tapping on that link, it should direct you to this website. From here, what you can do is just simply log into your account. So this is a new feature, so this is a new beta Duolingo program. So currently it is not available, but in future it might be available. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and log in. So what you can do is just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, what you can do is just simply enter your username or email address of your Duolingo account and then enter the password. After doing that, just simply log in your Duolingo account, and after logging into your Duolingo account, now in future if that option is available, it will automatically add it in your Duolingo. So just simply go ahead and do this and you can access this feature. So that's it guys, this is how to access Duolingo Math on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.